today's video I'm going to be unboxing or opening and reviewing what is inside a first viewing, first sight, first opening, the brother at your side sewing machine. So there's that. I have absolutely don't know the mechanisms or anything about the sewing machine. This video is strictly to show you what comes in the box, what is my first impression review, and what I think about it from first seeing the sewing machine. I'm not showing you what exactly everything is for. I'm just showing you if you are interested in buying this item at Walmart, by the way, not sponsored. You will see what includes in there and how it looks. I'm not giving a review on how it works because this is not the video for that, or have the right knowledge of the items that are in there. So you and I are going to go together investigating, looking into the inside of the box. So yeah, disclaimer for those that hate on me on the comments that I don't know the names of items is because I'm going to open the item with you so we can look at it together. Yeah, so I have it over here, right over here, brother box. So we're gonna go move to another location, my floor, so I can show you better the item. Okay, so now we're at the bottom in my floor. I think it's easier to see and to show you what exactly we have here. Excuse the mess behind me. That's how it is. It is the LX 38117 brother at your side sewing machine. It is in the white color. Let me show you right over here what I'm looking at. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me turn the other side. Is the 17 stitches, 1 4-step auto size buttonhole, in 4 sewing feet included, it says here. That's what I saw in Walmart because I bought it in Walmart, and I believe I got it for $98. I could be mistaken. I will put the actual price right here. I did got it a while ago. It was supposedly on sale, so I don't know if it's now on the same price that is on sale now, or that has been the price forever. But this is the one that I saw that it was easy for me to use because I haven't used a sewing machine very, like I've used a sewing machine, but I haven't used one that is very complicated. So I thought this one was alright. It says easy features includes stretch blind hem stitch, jam resistant quick set drop-in top bobbin, bright LED lit work area, instructional DVD included, English Spanish instruction manual. Look here, it says lightweight, and that's what I wanted. A lightweight sewing machine that I can move from where I had it up there on my cabinet to a table, let's say the kitchen or anything else like that. Right here we go on the side, and it says include accessory. It says it includes a zigzag foot J, and a buttonhole foot A, a zipper foot I, or that could be an L, a button sewing foot M. And it has little pictures of the actual items right here for you to see. It says darning plate, an instructional DVD, bobbing ×4, foot controller pedal has 1, a screwdriver, I was gonna read it in Spanish, destornillador, and a little set. It says 3 pieces set. The back over here, it says upper thread tension control dial, so that's the button right on the next, or like right here, and it has free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves. So it has no other area, I'm guessing right here, and it has a jam resistant quick and set dropping top bobbin right on the bottom, so that's under the needle, and sewing super bright LED lit work area, so that's the light directly where you're sewing at. Right here it says easy bobbing winder, so that's the little hook right on the top. Excuse the crying for my children. It says stitch selector, so there's like different types of stitches, like zigzag, whatever, like little dashes, It has, I shouldn't say whatever because then I'm going to be hate. It has a 1 through 17 stitches that you can select from. So it could be a line, a dash, or a zigzag kind of thing. A reverse sewing lever, so you can go back and forth. There we go. Right here, we're gonna go over here so you can, so I don't say 1 through 17. It says built-in stitch functions. So you have a straight stitch center, a straight stitch to the left, elastic attaching stitch, a buttonhole, button sewing, zipper insertion, gathering. So that's like making like a little ruffle of the clothes, cording, applique. These are the things that they can do. Couching stitch, over edge stitch, 3-point zigzag stitch, a stretch line hem stitch, and many more. So I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7, 14 minus 1, 13. So he gave 13 here, but I believe it has 1 through 17. So there's that for that. And that's what the box that once that you buy it is going to see. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open this right on the top. I did say I got it from Walmart, right? That's where I got it. Walmart, brother at your side. You can find it somewhere else. I think I just happened to buy it at Walmart because that's where I think it was the cheapest. It could be the same price somewhere else, but yeah. And that's how it looks in here. It says stop, we can help, please do not return to store, we can help. Oh, I guess if you have questions or you're having trouble, instead of returning it, you can call this number and they can help you figure things out. So right here, right on the front, or right when you open, you have a little baggie of things. And I'm guessing these are the bobbins. What are they? The jam and the hole and all those things in here. And the needles. So yeah, that's what they are. The needles are in this little this little blue envelope. The bobbins and all of that jazz in this little baggie. You also have your manual. And then that's all that you can actually take off from right at the top. You take off the styrofoam protector here, and then you have your sewing machine. I'm going to carefully take it out. It said lightweight, so it shouldn't be no problem, and it is not. Right at the bottom, we have the other part of the foam, and that is that, and here is the machine. There is the machine. It has plastic. It's wrapped in plastic. Excuse my feet. Right here on the middle, you can take out this cardboard thing, and it's the pedal. So it has a cord for you to connect it to the electricity, as well as the connection to the sewing machine. You can put that back in there. And then in the back, it has a bunch of warning and stuff written on it. If you want, you can read that on your own time. Don't want to break anything. Oh, I smell the scent of new things. So there is that. I gotta tell you, first thing, first sight, first view, it is a little bit heavy. Like, it has a weight to it, but it's not heavy. It really is lightweight. I can actually like lift it. I have my hand here. I can lift it with one hand, just to tell you that. And I'm weak. So it has this pretty pattern right here. It kind of looks like blue, what are those called? I can't think of the word now, but it's really pretty. It has blue and turquoise here. The design, it has the 1 through 17 stitches thing, the reverse thing that they say. So it's just up and down, like up and down kind of thing. Right here it has a little strap, like a sticker, like a tape. I can't talk. It has a tape, and I believe this could be another instructional kind of thing, but let's see. I can't really see from over here. Yeah, it's just instructions on how to. Oh, how nice. They actually put the tape in another piece of paper so you don't actually rip off the instructions. It's lower threading. So it shows you how to thread your thing in there, your thread in there. So, very nice, very helpful. And I believe this one is in Spanish and English. So if you're bilingual like me, you will understand. If you're not, learn some other language. Right here, it has a little tape here on the bottom as well, because you can like slide it. And it becomes a little smaller, so for hems, and I think this is the free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, so you can put it in there and it's better, you know what I mean? You can put it back on really easily. It looks like that. I like to leave these things here. It also has a little instructions here how to do the bobbin, so that's really helpful as well. I don't know if you could see that. Little instructions how to do that, and the needle and the part here where you put the bobbin is actually protected with a cardboard, so that's nice. You can see right here on the side how it is. Everything here is metal. Oh, sorry. Everything here is metal, and this is plastic. Let's look on the other side. Right here on the back, it just has the model number and all that shenanigans. And the other side over here, it has where you put your pedal, where you connect your pedal, as well as the on and off button. Just flip it. And then right here it has a little winder thing for your needle. So you put it up and down.
Hey.
And that is that for that. On the top, it really has, like I already told you, it also has little instructions. Luna, please. It little has instructions how to put things in your 1, 2, 3, 4. So I really would recommend, like if you're like me, to leave the stickers on there in case you lose it. But it also has like a free, like it has a sticker with black, and I don't know if you are going to appreciate it. I think you will. It has like a puff-up kind of like reading of the pictures here on the top. It also has number 1, how to do it, 2, 3, 4 over here. So that's helpful if this get old or worn out. You have this on the top to see. Right on the other side, it has the little handle where you hold it. So you pick it up like this. It has this little handle, as well as the little things too that I was just talking about to put your thread and all that stuff. This handle, it only comes from this side, so there's not like you can hold it like this. You have to hold it like this, you know what I mean? Like this. There's nothing. It has a little weight in, but not much. It's not heavy. I really like it. First, as looking at it, reviewing it like this, so far, I would give it a 5 out of 5 because it does have what it says on the box. It is lightweight, and that's what I was looking for. It has a great design. It has all the little parts there. It has instructions. It has the manual. It feels here like it has the DVD that we're talking about. Let me see if it does. Yeah, see? It has a DVD that you can see before you actually go ahead and do things. It has a lot of instructions, a lot of helpful things, all of the things that you would need in case you get stuck, as well as a phone number for you not to return the machine and say, I can't do it. They actually teach you. YouTube will teach you how to use this machine as well. Don't worry about it. There's plenty tutorials and stuff like that out there. This video, like I told you, was strictly to show you how and what came in the box with the brother machine, sewing machine, and that is what it is for today's video. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below anything that you want to ask me that I missed saying. I can respond on the bottom. But yeah, that is what it is. That is all for today's video and what came on the brother machine box from the Walmart. This is not sponsored at all. And yeah, that is all that I have for today's video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify you when I have a new video. I have random here, so yeah. And I will see you next time on another day, on another time. Goodbye.